All right, here it is with the fuel supply on. And now if I shut the fuel supply off, it goes to that. Fuel supply back on. Go down there towards the bottom and show the smoke at the bottom.